Had a little bit of a mishap with my grinder today. I went to grind and nothing happened. So I think there's something wrong with it. So I bought myself this new AEG grinder. So let's see if we can't open it up and get a look at the goods. Oh, look at that carry case. Steel clips. Oh, let me just cut this cable tie. Alright, brand side up. Oh, doesn't that look like a work of art? Beautiful set of safety rules there. Bonus elastic band, handle, two bonus grinding discs, doesn't that look a picture? Now this is the first time I've ever had any AEG equipment and looks nice. Small, it only cost me just under $100, and this carry case has Velcro straps in there. And this is a good idea, especially for this one, because I know with another brand that I had previously, they had a spike here that you could load all your discs up onto, but if you open the thing out the wrong way, they'd all fall down. Oh yeah, they do just fit. Got me the tool. Should you be one of those people that uses one of those. And then there's straps to put that in there. So can you put it in with a disc in it? And there's room for the cord, and then there's room for more grinding discs there. And the handle sits there, the instructions sit there, your bonus lacquer band goes elsewhere, and it's got these nice metal clip. I had something stuck in there. Now this looks like a beautiful machine, quite reasonably priced, and I look forward to using it tomorrow. AEG grinder on the job.